RKM fully automatic wire mesh welding machine with precise CNC control, boosting efficiency exponentially. Say goodbye to cumbersome manual operations with a 20% increase in efficiency, taking your production to the next level. Digital control utilizes an advanced digital control system, easy to operate with one-click start. Fully automatic production. From wire feeding to welding the mesh, the entire process is automated, with no manual intervention. High efficiency and energy saving significantly improves production efficiency, reduces labor costs, and saves energy. Quality assurance uses European imported components and combines advanced European technology to ensure product quality. Many well-known companies have successfully applied our welding machines, significantly improving production, efficiency, and product quality. Customer representatives share their experiences, highlighting the benefits brought by the product. Choose our fully automatic wire feeding welding mesh machine to make your production easier and more efficient.